Ever thought about visiting the beautiful city of Edinburgh? Nestled within the heart of Scotland, Edinburgh boasts a rich tapestry of history, architecture, and culture that is truly second to none. As Scotland's capital city, it's a place where the old and new world collide in a symphony of experiences that leave every visitor breathless. Picture this: cobblestone streets winding through medieval architecture, with the imposing Edinburgh Castle forming a majestic backdrop. Each corner of the city tells tales of kings and queens, of battles fought and won, and of a culture that has stood the test of time. But Edinburgh is not just about the past. It's a city that's vibrantly alive, with a thriving art scene, world-class restaurants, and bustling festivals that fill the streets with music and laughter. Ranked among the most beautiful cities in the world, Edinburgh is truly a treasure waiting to be discovered. If you're thinking about making a trip to Edinburgh, this guide will help you navigate the city's best offerings. One does not simply visit Edinburgh without diving into its fascinating history. Perched atop an extinct volcanic rock, the majestic Edinburgh Castle is a testament to Scotland's rich past. This fortress is more than 1,000 years old, bearing witness to countless historical events. Its imposing structure, coupled with a panoramic view of the city, makes it a must-visit. Inside, you'll be captivated by the honours of Scotland, the oldest crown jewels in the British Isles. The castle also houses the Stone of Destiny, a symbol of Scottish kings' coronation for centuries. A short walk down the Royal Mile, a cobbled street lined with charming boutiques and traditional pubs, leads us to the Palace of Holyrood House. This Baroque palace is the Queen's official residence in Scotland. Steeped in history and political intrigue, the palace's most famous resident was Mary, Queen of Scots, who lived here in the 16th century. Visitors can explore the state apartments, the historic apartments, and the beautiful palace gardens. The Royal Mile itself is a historical marvel. Stretching from the castle to the palace, this ancient thoroughfare is the heart of the old town. It's a living tapestry of history, where each stone has a story to tell. From the medieval tenements with their characteristic four-stair entrances to the hidden closes and courtyards, the Royal Mile is a history enthusiast's dream. And let's not forget about the underground city of Mary King's Close, a warren of hidden streets frozen in time since the 17th century. This subterranean labyrinth, once bustling with life, now stands as a poignant reminder of Edinburgh's past. Edinburgh's history is not just confined to buildings and streets. It's in the air, the whispers of the wind, the stories told and retold over centuries. It's in the vibrant festivals that celebrate age-old traditions and the hearty Scottish cuisine that has been passed down through generations. Indeed, history buffs would find themselves lost in the annals of time when exploring these historical sites. Beyond its historical allure, Edinburgh is a city pulsing with vibrant culture. It's a melting pot of traditions, arts, gastronomy, and of course, the world-renowned Scotch whisky. One of the city's cultural highlights is the Edinburgh Festival Fringe. Held every August, it's the world's largest arts festival and a true spectacle to behold. Fringe transforms the city into a global stage, showcasing everything from theater and comedy to dance and music. It's a celebration of creativity that gathers artists and performers from every corner of the globe. The festival's ethos of inclusivity means there's something for everyone, making it a must-visit cultural event. Edinburgh's cultural delights don't stop there. The National Museum of Scotland is another gem, inviting you on a journey through time and across cultures. From ancient artifacts to innovative technologies, the museum offers a unique blend of history and innovation. Its collection is an eclectic mix of the natural world, world cultures, art and design, science and technology, and Scottish history. The museum ensures that no matter where you're from, you'll find something that resonates with you. Art enthusiasts are in for a treat at the Scottish National Gallery. It houses a magnificent collection of fine art from the early Renaissance to the late 19th century. The gallery is home to masterpieces by artists such as Botticelli, Rembrandt, Turner, Van Gogh, and Monet. It's an art lover's paradise and a testament to Edinburgh's deep-rooted appreciation for the arts. But culture isn't just about arts and history. It's also about food and drink. Edinburgh's food scene is thriving, with a multitude of restaurants serving everything from traditional Scottish fare to international cuisine. And let's not forget the famous Scotch whiskey. A visit to one of the city's distilleries is a must for whiskey aficionados, offering a chance to learn about the intricate process of whiskey making and, of course, to sample some of the finest spirits in the world. From arts to food and drink, Edinburgh's culture is as rich as its history. For those who crave a bit of adventure, Edinburgh has plenty to offer. Let's start with Arthur's Seat, an ancient volcano and hill located in Holyrood Park. It's a popular spot for hiking and offers a panoramic view of the city. The hike is relatively easy, making it a perfect activity for families, groups, and solo travelers. And once at the top, the sight of Edinburgh's skyline stretching out beneath you is simply breathtaking. Next up, we have the Royal Botanic Garden. This isn't your ordinary garden. Spanning 70 acres, it's a lush green oasis that houses a diverse range of plants from around the world. As you wander through the different sections, you'll encounter everything from towering palms in the tropical palm house to delicate alpine flowers in the rock garden. It's a serene spot, perfect for a leisurely stroll or a picnic on a sunny day. Not too far from the city center, you'll find the water of Leith Walkway, a hidden gem that takes you on a journey through the heart of the city. This 12.5-mile trail winds its way from Balerno to Leith, passing by historical sites, picturesque neighborhoods, and even a couple of local wildlife habitats. Keep your eyes peeled for kingfishers, otters, and herons. And let's not forget about the stunning views that these outdoor activities offer. From the summit of Arthur's Seat, you can see the entire city spread out below, including landmarks like Edinburgh Castle and the Scott Monument. The Royal Botanic Garden, meanwhile, provides a colorful display of flora and fauna, while the water of Leith Walkway offers a unique perspective of the city's urban and natural landscapes. So, whether you're into hiking, birdwatching, or simply enjoying a leisurely stroll in a beautiful setting, Edinburgh's outdoor activities are sure to satisfy your craving for adventure. The city's natural beauty is as captivating as its history and culture, offering visitors a chance to experience a different side of Edinburgh that's just as enriching and memorable. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a nature lover, Edinburgh's outdoors will not disappoint. So there you have it, a glimpse into what Edinburgh has in store for you. We've walked through the historical corridors of Edinburgh Castle and the Royal Mile, basked in the rich tapestry of Scottish culture at the National Museum and the Festival Fringe, and breathed in the fresh air during a hike up Arthur's Seat. The city's allure lies in its perfect blend of ancient history, vibrant culture, and stunning outdoors. But remember, these are just the highlights. Edinburgh, with its cobbled streets and hidden corners, has many more stories to tell, many more sights to see. Each visit promises a new discovery, a fresh perspective. It's a city that captures the heart and imagination, a city that keeps calling you back for more. And so, we encourage you to go beyond this guide, to explore and experience the charm of Edinburgh for yourself. Remember, this is just a taster. The real magic happens when you step foot in the city. So when are you planning your trip to Edinburgh?